Come, let's go. Hi, my name is Preeta. I welcome you to this channel where nostalgia meets luxury. Every bite tells a story. So for today's recipe, I have thought of something really special. This is a great recipe and it is particularly going to be of value to those people who are living far away from home. Whether you're at the uni or you are living all by yourself and trying to learn a little bit of cooking so that you can make something a little fancy for yourself now and then. And it is one of my own recipes that I'm sharing with you guys today. Stick around until the very end and watch me making it. We're gonna have to cut about 800 grams of onions. Once our oil is hot, we're going to add our 800 grams of finely chopped onions and cook them until they're soft and transparent. Now let's get our powder ingredients ready. We're gonna take 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, quarter teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Now in this combination, pepper as well as your red chili powder are according to your preference. Use both of them, but in the amounts you are able to handle. And of course, turmeric. For today's gravy, we're going to use 1 kilo of chicken. It would be great if you can use chicken with bones, as the gravy turns out to be quite flavorful. One deep slit. Also, don't forget to check the onions and make sure that they're not getting burnt or anything. Okay, let's move on. So our onions look transparent and soft, just the way it should be. Let's quickly add all our powder ingredients one by one. I'm not saving anything for later, so all of them will go at this same shot. And don't forget to add your salt according to taste. Let it cook for a little bit. Give it a stir now and then we're ready to add our chicken pieces. This recipe should serve 3 to 4 people. It's time for us to add a little bit of water. Let's cook the chicken with the lid on for 10 to 15 minutes so that the chicken is nice and soft and juicy. Then we will let the gravy thicken, and at that time we will take the lid off. Here I am making a little bit of rice on the side, a little bit of oil. The oil prevents the rice morsels from sticking together. Adding a little bit of milk whitens the rice, so make sure you add it. With a piece of cinnamon thrown in. Cinnamon adds a lot of flavor to the rice, so makes it special, right? Check on the chicken now and then and give it a little stir. Now on the side I'm cutting a few tomatoes. And to these tomatoes I will add some yogurt. I have added about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, little bit of chili powder, about half a teaspoon, and salt to taste. This is a little bit of a salad, you can say, which we have on the side. So at the end, we're gonna have rice, we're gonna have this lovely chicken gravy, and this little salad with yogurt. Try this sometime. This is a fantastic dish to enjoy. It's a complete meal, that is. There you have it. Our lovely chicken gravy is ready to be eaten with rice, rotis or noodles. If you don't want to try these three options, you can also try to eat it with sandwich bread. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and let me know about it in the comments. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves.